Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Garima. Yesterday I put a Q&A on my Instagram story. I'm gonna be answering those questions here. I think I've posted about 10 videos on my YouTube और Q&A कर दिया मैंने कि people are dying to know कि गरिमा की लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है. I have written those questions down in my notebook because I'm on a trip right now and I have only one device and I'm recording on that one. Thank you so much guys for 29 subscribers. I really appreciate it. Whenever I meet on my trip, right, I'm like, can you subscribe? मुझे शर्म भी नहीं आती. I have lost all शर्म लिहाज. घर पे छोड़ के आई हूँ मैं. If you're going on a trip, शर्म लिहाज घर पे छोड़ के ही जाना चाहिए. So the first question is, which college were you in and how was it? I was in Mount Carmel College, Bangalore. And there was no college involved in my college life. The good memories I have are all from outside college. College had nothing to do with my college life. Mount Carmel is a shitty college. I think everybody says that about their college, but then I have valid reasons for that. I studied psychology. Psychology department should have been, I don't know. There was a time where I needed help with my studies. I wasn't able to focus and I was really depressed through most of my college life, which is why I shifted. I didn't do my fourth year. I left after my third year. And honestly, it has been one of the best decisions of my life not doing that fourth year. People might have had good experiences in that college, but me, I did not. This question is, what's your age? My age is 21 right now. In February, I'm turning 22. North India or South India? I don't even have to think about it. It is South India for so many reasons. Here in South India, right? I'm in South India right now. Here people don't care what you are doing, or they don't, even when you're filming in public, right? They don't give a shit. Short clothes and everything. It's not, like look at her and all. भाई दिल्ली में तुम्हें South India. Yeah. Belly piercing experience. In the beginning, it was fine. I got my belly piercing 1 or 2 years back. And for a year, it was fine. Belly piercings take time to heal, right? So for a year, it was fine. And then, I don't know why, it started hurting a lot. Like, whenever I used to wear high-waist jeans, और थोड़ी सी भी लगती थी ना उस पे कपड़ा या कुछ भी किसी का हाथ, वो दर्द होने लगता था. And it felt like कि नया piercing जब कराते हैं तब जैसा दर्द होता है ना, कि छूते ही दर्द होता है, वैसे. Then I had to remove it, and then now it's closed up. And now I'm planning to get it again. You have to let it heal first fully, and then I think you get it again. Favorite meme. So there's this there's some auntie and she's bathing her cat, or it's funny. मेरा लल्ला नहा लेगा सुंदर हो जाएगा, and the cat is just meow meow. She's crying. Yeah, it's really funny. Next question is, which book are you reading and how is it so far? I'm reading, I have recently finished one book. It was Say You Swear? Yeah, Say You Swear. And it was a really nice book. Are you committed? No guys, I am not committed. That one place you wanna visit again and again. I'm in Gokarna right now, and this is the place. This is why I keep visiting Gokarna. Like, once a year, I think. For 3 years I've been coming here and I love this place. It was love at first sight. Favorite memory from school or college? School ki, I was in boarding school by the way, और school की मेरी favorite memory होगी. Okay, so on Sundays we used to get tucks, which means chips and ice cream, momos, toffees, chocolates, chowmin, everything. Stalls लगते थे और वहाँ पे हम खाते थे. After that, dorms में हम वापस जाते थे and we would get like, I don't know, डिनर से पहले टाइम मिलता था हमें, और उस टाइम में हम गप्पे मारते थे, गेम्स खेलते थे, डांस करते थे, म्यूजिक बजाते थे. It was the best. I would want my kids to experience boarding life, ऐसा लगता है ना कि यही है, बस यही है. मतलब जितना स्कूल है, जितना बोर्डिंग स्कूल है, उतनी ही आपकी दुनिया है. Cannot explain this to someone who has not experienced boarding life. You have to experience it to know what it is, right? और कॉलेज की फेवरेट मेमोरी मेरी देयर आर अ लॉट एक्चुअली. मेघना बिरयानी रियली फेमस इन बैंगलोर, और वहाँ से हम बिरयानी मंगाते थे एंड देन वी यूज्ड टू पूरा प्लेट सजा के, ठीक है, राइस, चिकन एंड देन ग्रेवी, रायता, एवरीथिंग पूरा सजा के. उसके बाद वी यूज्ड टू लैपटॉप खोल के यूज्ड टू चूज समथिंग टू वॉच, और जब तक वो मूवी स्टार्ट नहीं होती थी हम खाना स्टार्ट नहीं करते थे. सिंस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट बैंगलोर, लेट मी जस्ट सी कि बैंगलोर के और क्वेश्चंस है भी नहीं. Any Bangalore vlog. I should make a Bangalore vlog. I'm going to Bangalore in 2-3 days. Maybe then. Favorite spot in Bangalore. मैं और मेरी दोस्त ना मानसा. She was my classmate only. Same course. या तो क्लासेस के बीच में रात को ये जगह ना खुली रहती थी रात तक, 1-2 बजे तक. तो हम रात को अगर बोर हो रहे होते थे तो we used to call each other and after we used to go, right. जरूरी नहीं है कि we are talking to each other. क्या हुआ. No, we are just sitting in each other's company and we are having our chai, we are having something else, मैगी या समोसा कुछ भी. It was the best. और क्लासेस के बीच में भी जब ना बहुत मतलब दिमाग खराब हो जाता था ना, तब हम जाते थे बीच में वहाँ पे चाय पीने. It was my favorite spot. What's your opinion on Mallu boys since you are from Bangalore? You must have met some. Bangalore is filled with Mallus. Let me tell you something. If you have not been to Bangalore or if you have, you must know that there are a lot of Malayalis in Bangalore. Yeah, I have met actually. It's nice to meet somebody who's not from your culture and get to know them. ऐसा कोई opinion नहीं है. I'm just trying to think what is my opinion. Okay, Western or ethnic? I think ethnic. Ethnic में जो बात है ना, वो Western में नहीं आ सकती यार. Even though I mostly wear Western, but still, mental peace आपके लिए क्या मतलब रखता है? Mental peace, I feel when there are people around you that don't drain your energy. That would be mental peace. Ki easy going and not too much drama. Actually, that is the reason I go on solo trips also. क्योंकि mental peace मुझे I'm mentally peaced. क्योंकि I can't handle that. Actually, looking at myself, I can see that I have tanned a lot. What's your way to recharge after a long day? I would say watching a good suspense thriller series, like those limited सीरीज जिनके बस 8 एपिसोड्स या 10 एपिसोड्स होते हैं. मेरा जब दिन अच्छा नहीं गया होता या फिर आई एम जस्ट टू स्ट्रेस्ड और ऐसा होता है, तो फिर मैं क्या करती हूँ, आई सर्च फॉर अ सीरीज लाइक दैट कि जिसमें एक रात में ख़त्म कर देती हूँ मैं वो एक्चुअली, जिसमें एंडिंग में यू गेट टू नो एवरीथिंग, ये क्या क्यों हुआ, एवरीथिंग. नॉट कि लूज एंड्स इधर उधर. देयर आर सम सीरीज इन विच एंड तक भी आपको आंसर नहीं मिलता कि ये क्यों हुआ और ये क्यों हुआ. नो, आई लाइक एवरीथिंग टाइड अप एंड देन ended the series. Comfort food. My comfort food is dal chawal. What is that simple definition that you can give for love? Now that I think about it, I don't know if I've ever been in love. Let me explain. It's like when you are in the relationship, you think you are in love. Now that it's been a long time and I think about it, I'm just thinking, was that love? Love for me would be choosing someone over and over and over and over. That's love for me, and that is how I show my love to people. I choose them over and over, despite the fights, despite my bad mood, despite anything happens. When you're choosing somebody over and over, I think that is love. Which one is your favorite tattoo? My favorite tattoo is the one I got recently, Medusa tattoo. Long hair or short hair? Long hair. Most of my college, पूरा कॉलेज में ही मेरे शॉर्ट हेयर थे, इतने थे मेरे बाल, ठीक है. अभी तो काफ़ी लंबे हैं. जब भी बड़े होते थे मैं काट देती. आई डोंट नो, आई थिंक आई वाज रियली इम्पल्सिव. व्हाट वाज योर पेरेंट्स रिएक्शन टू योर टैटूज? मेरे पापा का तो कुछ था नहीं क्योंकि मैंने बताया ही नहीं, और मम्मी तो ये वाले टैटूज ना, आई गॉट ऑल ऑफ दीज टुगेदर इन बैंगलोर. 2-3 महीने तक घर नहीं गई थी मैं, तो किसी को पता नहीं था. फिर घर गई and it was bad. Mummy बहुत disappointed would be the word, I feel. She was like, I can't take you anywhere now, and she has not taken me anywhere since I got these tattoos. किसी से मिलने, नानी से, मौसी से. How many tattoos do you have? I have 22 and I'm turning 22. What's the weirdest or the craziest memory you have in Bangalore? The one that I can think of on the top of my mind, I'm sure there are a lot for sure. बट एक है ना कि मैं और मेरी दोस्त जा रहे थे चर्च स्ट्रीट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स वी वर वॉकिंग बिकॉज या वी लाइक टू वॉक, एंड एज सून एज वी वर अबाउट टू रीच वी जस्ट केम ऑन दिस स्ट्रीट. ओके, ऐसे करके वॉकिंग. there was a car that came beside us and it stopped. The guy that was driving, he was alone. He looked at us and he was like, ऐसे देखा, hop in. हम ऐसे थे. Excuse me. थोड़ा process नहीं कर पाए. तो एक बार को ये सोच रही थी कि do we know this guy? That was the weirdest. What's one thing you've learned about yourself from past relationships? What I've learned about myself is that before I accuse my partner of something, you did this, you did that, first I check myself. Was it my fault? And when I'm sure that it wasn't my fault, then I will come and confront you or whatever. मुझे पता है कि मेरी गलती नहीं है. Only then I'm gonna be like, you did this and ये गलत था, whatever. Last minute or planner. I would like to be a planner. I mean, I try to plan things, but plan के according होता नहीं है. So people who know me know that I am a last minute person. Always up for spontaneous shit. Favorite movie you can rewatch anytime. That would be Okay Janu. What are your biggest turn-ons and turn-offs? I don't know actually. Turn-off, I know. When they disrespect the waiter or when they disrespect somebody. That is my turn-off. I've actually had one date in which this guy was really disrespectful to traffic light mein. We were in the car and there was this lady, okay. She was not even asking money. She was asking for water and without even looking कि water है कि नहीं. ये भी नहीं कि आराम से बोला हो कि नहीं है जाओ. He was really rude about it कि just leave, you know, whatever. Anyways, what's your type in men? I don't have a type. Many people have asked me this and I really don't have a type. Explore, do more. Yes, sir, I am gonna once I'm back. Do you open up too much or not at all? Actually, either I open up too much or not at all. With some people, I'm too open. And with some, I'm just not. I don't force connections. I don't force myself to do things that I don't want to. नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं हो रहा है. I leave it at that. How do you deal with hate or criticism? इतना criticism आया नहीं मेरे पास, hate भी, because yeah, it's not like I'm some celebrity. There was this one video, it went viral. On that video I got bad comments, you know, people calling me the R word, all of that. It really affected me a lot. And I feel like that had to happen for me to get over it, because now I feel like I'm much better at it. I don't mind it a lot. You know, because when you're putting your life out there, people are gonna say shit. पता नहीं कहाँ बैठ के अपनी frustration लोग comment section में निकालते हैं. I ignore it now. Describe yourself in 3 words. I would say kind, spontaneous, crazy. How did I forget this word? I am crazy. What's the hardest part of being a content creator? I would say being consistent. Growth तभी आती है when you're consistent actually. What makes you happy? Travel and being around the people I love. बहुत कम लोग रह गए हैं लाइफ में and I feel like I prefer it like that. पहले थे group, friend groups, everything. Now I feel like my life is more private. Keep your life private, guys. What's something about your life which makes you really happy? Something about my life right now that makes me really happy would be that I am not scared to embarrass myself. This is one thing I would never change about myself. I feel like just go for it. I am that person. I just go for things. I don't care. I hate regret. I don't want to regret anything in my life. So I'm whatever जो भी आता है मेरे दिमाग में, मेरे मन में, मैं कर देती हूँ because life is too short. I'm sure you must have heard it from everybody. Life is too short, but guys, it is too short. Just who cares? People really don't care. Just do it. Go for it. Starting a YouTube channel, I started posting more on Instagram. I've been doing that for some time now. और कुछ आएगा मेरे मन में मैं कर लूँगी. Never have regrets. You like somebody, go and tell them. You don't like somebody, you go and tell them. Actually, no, I don't do that. If I don't like somebody, I just stay away. One thing about me is that I never leave things unsaid. Whatever I'm feeling about you, you will know. I overthink about a lot of things, but not this. I will really come to you and express myself. What's that one thing within you, if it disappeared, you'd feel like you no longer recognize yourself? My ability to love people. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि heartbreaks, breakups, patch-ups, missing somebody, whatever, कितना भी बुरा हुआ हो मेरे साथ relationships में, my ability to love never goes. Touch wood, I will always believe in love, no matter what happens, and that's because of the way I love. I love with an open heart. I won't recognize myself if I lose that ability to love. I love. Anyways, guys, I'm done. Like, share and subscribe, please. Have a good day, guys. Bye bye. Love you.
There's